Okay, today from our drawing app here, let me show you what it is. We can draw something, and this is the version number 4. I wanna let you see the version number 5. Okay, you can draw something using the mouse wheel up. You can make a bigger stroke. Going down, you go back to what was like with the red. You can do the red. With B you can do the blue. With white you go back to white, and with yellow you get this, and with the right button you can delete, and you can delete with the button with the key D, and you can save something with S S S S S S, then you press G, and you have this, an animated GIF. Okay, now we want to add a new feature, that is when you press E like erase, or maybe we could use C as cancel. Well, let's use the E key down here, and okay, this goes up here. Okay, and the E key, it will go and delete all saved images. Okay, that goes here. You know, the let me get where I have the okay, this is this function os.remove.png for png in glob.glob.png means that it's gonna delete everything is in the folder. So let's call this delete, how I call it, delete all saved images. Let's call it delete images. Okay, delete images. So okay, let's see now that in the folder we have all these images here, and let's see what happens if we use the E button. So let's do F. Let's save this. Save. Let's press G. You see that we have also the images that we have saved before. Now let's press A. Let's close this. Let's open this, and you see that we don't have any images. We just have the animated GIF here because it's not a PNG, but it is an. Okay, so it works. Now we just could we could use message box from the Kinter. Let me go in my site and check for the message box. I don't know if I did something already. If you go here, I want to search for something, go and type in here what you're looking for. There it is, message box. We want one of these, and look at this nice cover. And yes, not, do you like Python? Okay, the message, but the show info, it's not what we are looking for. And look at the many images I have made in this post. Then we have the message box, not useful, not useful, the error, show error, yes or no. This is what we are looking for. And X, we got assign a variable to the message box. And yeah, so here we are going to ask question. Okay, if X, if we could, here is a case in which we could use the new walrus operator, but we are in 3.7, we cannot do it yet. So if X equal message box dot yes no cancel. Okay, yes no cancel. Yes, do you want to delete all the images? So that we do it. Okay, equal, I think yes. I don't know if in Italian is different because my computer okay, OS remove, etc. Let's go. Okay, so X equal message box, etc. And if X equal yes. Okay, let's do something like a little animation here. Of this ball falling down. We can also do bounce the ball up again in an infinite loop. Oops. I don't know if I remember to save and delete. Well, however, well, it's not. Okay, these are the images that I saved, and I didn't made a very good animation because I forgot to save. Okay, now I want to delete everything, and I will press E. String object is not callable. Where is the string object? Ask a question. I should have used this. I don't know why I didn't do it. Ask question. Let me see if this time it works. Let me save something else. Let me make a GIF. Let me close it. If we go here, we will find the images here. And now I want to delete with erase. Do you want to delete all the images? Yes. Wait, this one. I have to get rid of this stuff here. Now let me close it. You see, we haven't got the images anymore. It worked. I just want to. I have to. Yeah. Let me see. Message box. I got to do this. to avoid seeing that windows, I think. Let me save, 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 save. Let me make the GIF. And now let me erase everything. Okay, we don't see the window. Do you read all images? Yes. So now if I close this and open the folder, you see there are no images apart the animated GIF. So I think it worked, and so we have done this thing. Another thing that I want to do is to let you choose among colors in maybe in something like a message box, something like that, but this we will see this in another post. Thank you.